Welcome to the Sage Doctor video about attaching the multiple invoices to an email in Sage 50. Open the Sales and Invoicing window to see all the invoices that you want to print or send via email. You can either click Email or click Print button on the top of the window. The Print Forms window will open from where you can select how and what invoice to print. Select the type of forms. The Print Forms Invoices window can help you see the forms. In the next Preview and Print Invoices and Packing Steps window, you can select the way in which you want to email the invoice. Then you need to enter the email IDs to which you need to email the invoices by amending the email. Select the appropriate email account and select the type of documents you want to email. Enter the email address.
This is how you take an automatic backup in Sage 50. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.